Hey YouTube, what's up? Yakfish Taco here. So I got a call from Leer finally after almost 9 weeks. They told me that the camper top is here. So I'm cleaning my deck to get ready for it. I went fishing last weekend and got a lot of smelly, grimy stuff on the back. Really fishy smell. So I'm gonna clean it up before they put on the camper shell. So I ordered the Leer 180. So with the 4-inch raised roof. So I'm not sure how it's gonna look. I've seen a lot of pictures on YouTube. I did a lot of research to see how it looks, but I never seen one in cement gray. So, but even though you've seen it on the internet, it's never gonna be the same when you see it in person. So I hope it looks good. If it doesn't look good, then it's too late. I already paid for it. So I just have to get used to the look. So I can't wait to go and check it out. So yeah, let's go. Nice place. I think they're getting my stuff installed right now. So we'll see. Yep, just filling time at Tony's Fish Market, having my seafood basket. Pretty cool place, nice day. Yeah, it's just a few blocks away from the shop, so I'm just gonna enjoy myself a little bit and then go back and pick up the truck. Okay, so lunch was good. Do you know what's better? Oh wow, it's ready. Let's take a look. Wow, it's not bad. I like it. Looks totally awesome. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good, huh? Yeah, looks like, yeah, I like it. I really dig the look. Got that really substantial sort of look to it. Oh yeah. Okay, so just paid and now I'm gonna drive away. I'm gonna go to a little quiet place, maybe like an empty parking lot, to kind of go over a few things. Like this is like a main busy street. It's just too noisy and too loud. You can see the rear visibility is pretty good. They did a pretty good job. I'm gonna show you what I have, the options I have, and then and this thing weighs about 250 pounds. So that just kind of took away 250 pounds out of my meager 1,600 pounds payload. So yeah, so that you have to keep in mind. But I think the extra weight is going to reduce the bounciness of the rides, hopefully. So I'm gonna go over a few speed bumps and see if I can tell any differences. Okay, let's go. Yeah, definitely, it's a lot less bouncy. The extra weight on it, it's kind of like how people put a couple bags of concrete or things like that to add weight to the vehicle. Yeah, I take it. So getting onto the freeway, first of all, I don't hear any additional wind noise, which is good. I think the aerodynamic shape of the raised roof seems to do a pretty good job of reducing or minimizing any sort of unnecessary wind noise. So with the 250 pounds heavier and also the little higher roof, I might be expecting a little reductions in gas mileage. So I'm gonna do some a long-term test to see if I notice any different than what I previously have for the last 2,000 miles. Backing into my driveway. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so let's walk around this thing. Yeah, the truck now looks so much bigger. Pull away a little bit. Yeah, I really like the look. Now it sort of has that truck UV kind of look, truck and SUV combined. The only option that I have added to the shell are these Thule tracks. So they will work with any kind of Thule track roof rack system. So the reason I have them because I have these guys. I have a pair of these. They were from my 2003 Honda CR-V that I no longer own. But I kept the when I sold the car, I kept the crossbar and then the foot packs. So they're a little beat up, but they will work. They should work just fine with these guys. So yeah, so with the options, I have paid just under $2,500, so about $2,470 for everything that you're looking at here. Having the option for putting a roof rack on it allows me to say put kayaks and awnings, things like that, anything camping or outdoorsy related. That kind of give me more options. Locking keys. It came with 2 keys, so one for spare. So both sides, I'm sure people know what they are, you know. But yeah, the locks opens. Oh man, they open really high. Really high. So good thing about having it open high is that, you know, for like getting in and out of it, it's a lot easier. So this high opening really helps for like getting in and out of it. Yeah, so like with me, you know, not a tall guy, so sitting up here like this, I have enough headroom. Yeah, so I can get really comfortable in here. The inside, the lining, it has insulations, and there's dome light. This is all come standard. And then you have the power unit right here. The power unit that detached from the vehicle's electricals, and then you can have the electricals detached, and then the lights here, and then also the brake light is also out here. That's the brake lights. You can see that's the mounting points for the rails, the track rails up there. Sliding window that kind of matches with the sliding windows of the truck. It's pretty good visibility, it's pretty clear windows. Definitely some sort of curtain for privacy. The visibility is pretty good, you know, considering this is like a tinted, really tinted window. As I mean, from the inside, you can't really tell it's you know, if it's tinted at all. Got your standard sliding window with a screen, keeps the mosquitoes out. So in the summertime, you can have a little bit of air in when you're camping inside. Plenty of room to stretch right here. So the warranty for the structure is lifetime from Leer, and the paint is limited. I think just a few years or 2 years. I have to look. So one thing that is good to have it installed at the dealer is that, do you like how a lot of people, they were complaining that it has leaks at these two corners? So what the dealership did is they have silicones, so they sealed it. So all these little possible gaps for leaks, they have done silicones to do sealings from inside and outside. So this is the seal. This is what the sealing looks like from the outside. Looks like a pretty good job. So time will tell how they're holding up. And right today it's raining, so we can definitely find out. I think mainly it's like when you're driving, we'll see if this sealing will keep the water from going in. The 4-inch raised roof line seems to be pretty good in sort of tapering the airflow. So I do expect, just from the look of it, will not have too much of you know, deduction in aerodynamic of the car and how it performs in the winds. So we'll see. So we're gonna do a lot of kind of gas mileage comparisons before and after. But so far it looks pretty good. I mean, it doesn't seem like much of a big issue looking from the side. Yeah, I think it should be good. Does anybody has any experience with the raised roof on like the gas mileage? Just leave me a comment. Really appreciate that. So one thing that I've been getting a lot from the viewers were that I should get a bed mat for the truck bed. So to show you that I do listen to the advice and suggestions from my viewers, here it is, bed mat. This is the Toyota one. Yeah, so looks good. Yeah, one thing is like it really kind of like the footprints that you walk on it, the shoes, like if your shoes is like dusty, I mean those really sticks, all that dust really sticks on it. So time to time you just have to clean it, you know. But at least it's like things are pretty rubbery, sticky, so a lot of like my buckets and things like that, shovels, and they're not gonna kind of wobble around. And so this thing's pretty heavy. It's about 30 pounds. So 30 pounds with the 250 pounds, you know, that's 280. And then for the running boards, those are like maybe 70 pounds total. So 380, no, 350 pounds, 350 pounds. Additional on top of 45-50, so I'm looking at like 4,900 pound truck right now. So with the additional weight, and we'll see what the gas mileage is, you know, and or if I get a little higher reading in the transmission temperatures, or you know, slower acceleration. So all that stuff I'm gonna kind of do some kind of long-term review and give you the numbers. The next step, I'm gonna do turn this into some sort of a camper. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I got some ideas already. So we'll let you know as soon as possible. Until then, see you guys later. Take care.